Hey guys, Survival 101 here, and this is just a quick little video on how I made my cattle panel greenhouse. So I built the whole thing out of 2x4s and a cattle panel, as you can see. And all you have to do is make a 2x4 base, rectangle base, and I'll post the dimensions of that in the description. But you just do that, screw that together, and then you bend the cattle panel over, which is 16 feet by 50 inches. I got 2 of them, and I just bent them over inside that frame, and then I zip tied them together. And then I framed it out with 2x4s, as you can see here. I got the braces right here, and this just strengthens the whole thing and helps with the snow load, because if you get a snowstorm, there's going to be snow on this for a little while. And you can put an optional window here. I didn't, because I just didn't have the wood for it right now. But you can do that. And then for the front, did the same thing, just without the middle cross beam. And I built a door out of 2x4s on the outside, so it seals better. The door goes like that. And just a simple door like that. And then I stapled all the plastic on, like so. And to connect the cattle panel to the 2x4s, I used U-nails. It's just basically a nail that's in the shape of a U, and it has 2 pointed ends. And then I duct taped all the edges of the cattle panel, because those are sharp. I highly recommend doing that, or else you're going to have tears in your plastic. And I know in a design that I saw, they said use pipe insulation, but I think, well, this works just fine for me. Just duct taping the edges, and it's a whole lot cheaper than the pipe insulation. Oh, and I did that on the bottom there, U-nails, and lifted it up so it's about right in the middle there. And you can pick this thing up and you can move it. This is part 1. Because I am going to be putting shelving along there to those on the back and on the other side. But just want to give you a quick update on what I've been doing. One piece of information I forgot to mention, that this is made out of a 20 by 25 sheet of plastic. You will have a good bit of extra, but that's the size that works best, so I recommend you use that. This is 4 mil thick, which is just fine, and it works quite well. It's cloudy out today. I've only had the plastic on for a few hours, and it's roughly 80 degrees inside. It's about 50 out here, so it works quite well. I'm using this for the shelving, but that'll be in a future video. And along with that, I have this tube hoop post here with PVC pipe and a ridge beam across the top of PVC, and then I just covered it in plastic. And let me show you inside. And everything is still nice and green in there. I've got carrots and beets starting to grow down the back, and everything else besides the broccoli is basically killed from the frost, so that's doing pretty good. And guys, again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more.